can see, I've plugged the other part to the wall socket, and this part I'm going to plug it into the printer. You have to be careful to make sure that it goes in fully, because it's a bit of a tight squeeze here.
Okay, so once that's in, look at the printer, we keep the paper on the top.
And then the next step is adding the cartridges in. So here you have to pay close attention, because the color cartridge goes on the left and the black goes on the right. So it's very important not to get them mixed up. So here I have the color on the left and the black on the right. So this thing comes out. So this thing will come out, and then for the cartridges, you open them like this. So that's the black cartridge, which goes on the right side. So you take off this, and it goes in like this. Just manage to slide in. Yeah. Now the color one. Okay. Take this out. So that's the color which goes in. It's always a little fiddly putting in the cartridges in a new printer. Basically, it's meant to slide in smoothly, which is now it. So you can see the color and the black are both fitted nicely inside. So now we're going to power the printer on. So that's the power on button. So after you've put in the ink cartridges, you need to turn it off and on, and once you've done that, you'll see the digital 0 appear here, which means that it's ready for use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you by placing an item inside to scan. So to scan, you need to make sure that it's pointed towards the arrow here, and then you have two options here for either black or color scanning. So I'm going to show you how the color one works. So let's see. So over here it says number 1, which means there's one copy. So here we are, our very first printout from our printer, scanner and wireless printer. So there you go. So guys, I'm just going to show you the difference, or the similarities rather. So this is the original item, and this is the photocopied item. Just to mention, this is very low quality paper, and also one thing to note is that the paper facing up, so this side of the paper will be the side where it's going to be printed on, just in case if you wanted to do double-sided printing. So there you go. This is a quick comparison of the original item and the item which has been scanned. So thank you. So to connect to the Wi-Fi, what we need to do is we need to long press the wireless button situated on the printer. And when you see the symbol, you need to take your Wi-Fi modem and also press this button, and they will pair up. So this is basically the WPS button in most routers, and in this is a Huawei AI router. It's a mobile broadband. So in most routers you will find this button and it's paired up. So over here you can see the signal. So it's all paired up, ready to go with the Wi-Fi.